Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. Over the Easter holidays, I did a bit of an epic 2-day drive up to the Isle of Mull, which is off the west coast of Scotland. It's about 650 miles away from where I live in London. And we did it in 2 legs. First of all, on one day we drove up to my mum's place in Durham, which is about 300 miles. And we then did the rest of the journey the next day, about another 300 miles, something like that. And we knew that we had to be in a town called Oban by a certain point in order to get the ferry. So in the morning, as we were setting off from my mum's house, I did what I always do, which is put the destination into the sat-nav in my car. It then plotted a route for me and gave us an estimated journey time. It said 5 hours 45 minutes, but as I said to my mum, it's best to err on the side of caution and give it a good 6.5 hours, just in case there's terrible traffic or you need a toilet stop or anything like that. If you err on the side of caution, you basically act cautiously, you're careful, you don't take risks or do anything stupid, you try not to leave things to chance. So, for example, maybe if you're having a big dinner party and 12 people have said that they're definitely going to come, you might decide to err on the side of caution and cook for 15. Maybe you're one of those people who would like to live a little bit more in the moment. You'd like to take a few more risks than you really do, but just because of the way you are, you find yourself tending to err on the side of caution and play things safe. If you work in sales and you're asked to provide projected sales of a particular product for the coming year or for the coming half year, you might decide to err on the side of caution and give a conservative estimate of how many items you think you'll be able to sell. Because, as any good rep knows, it's always better to under-promise and then over-deliver. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use err on the side of caution.